Good morning to everyone. So last class we have seen the pulse width modulation and then registers and the register format, how to program in that particular pulse width modulation. So in this class we are going to see about the UART communication, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter. The LPC 2148, 41, 42, 44, 46, all the series contains two UARTs. So in addition to standard transmit and receive data lines, the LPC 2144, 46 and 48 UART1 also provide a full modem control handshake interface. So compared to the previous LPC 2000 microcontrollers, UART is an LPC 2141, 40 all the series which having the UARTs enabling these microcontrollers to achieve standard baud rate up to 1,15,200 with the crystal frequency 2 MHz. So what are the features in available in UART communication? 16 byte receive and transmit FIFO first in first out. The register location conformed to 16C 550 industry standard. The receiver FIFO trigger points 1B, 4B and 8B and 14B. So built-in fractional baud rate generators covering wide range of baud rates with the need of external crystal oscillators of particular values. So control of both UARTs by means of LPC 2144, 4648 UART1 equipped with the standard modem interface signals. So next one is the UART communication in system programming, which means we can transmit it with the system using serial communication on COM0 port. It has a COM1 port for serial communication. Max 232 233 IC must be used for voltage logic conversion related to connections are as well given. So these are all the UART connection diagram. It will have the pins up to 9 pins which is connected to that LPC 2148 microcontrollers. So it's having the C1 and C minus and that receiver and transmitter signal pins which is connected to that LPC 2148 pin diagram. So these are all the registers available in UART receiver buffer. So UART 0, UART 0 receiver buffer, it is an 8-bit read-only registers. These registers contain the received data which is the oldest received byte. In the receive FIFO, if the character received less than 8 bits, the unused MSB bits which will be considered as zeros. So UART0 transmit holding registers, it's a 8-bit write only registers. Data to be transmitted is written to the registers. It's a newest received byte in the transmit FIFO. So the divisor latch access bit DLAB is used in the U0 transmit holding registers. The next one is U0 DLL and U0 DLM, UART0 divisor latch registers. So this is a 8-bit registers. The divisor latch holds the value by which the P clock, peripheral clock will be divided. So this value must be 1 divided by 16 times desired baud rate. So at 0 cross 000 value is treated like 0 cross 001 value, as device division by 0 is not allowed. So the next one is U0 UART0 fractional divider we register. So it's a 32-bit register write registers. It decides the clock prescaler for baud rate generation. So if a fractional divider is active, the fractional divider register greater than 0, the DLM is equal to 0, DLL must be greater than or is equal to 3. So UART0 interrupt enabled registers. So these are 32-bit registers. It's a UART0 interrupt sources. It says have the character receive timeout interrupt bit 1, the THRE, the threshold enable pins, bit 2 receiver line interrupt enable, bit gate ABIEO interrupt enable. So next one is the UART0 interrupt identification registers. It's a 32-bit registers. So bit 0 will enable the interrupt pending. Bit 1 to 3 will enable the interrupt identification. Bit 6 to 7 it will enable the FIFO enable. Bit 8 AB interrupt enable. Bit 9 will be stands for the following 32-bit registers format. Okay, so the next one is UART line control registers. So already we have discussed it's a 8-bit registers. So bit 0 to 1 it's a word length select. Bit 2 number of bits stop bits. Bit 3 parity enable. Bit 4 is to 5 parity select. Bit 6 break control. Bit 7 divisor latch enable registers. Okay, so the next one is UART line status registers. Bit 0 receiver data ready, bit 1 overrun ready, bit 2 parity error, bit 3 framing error, bit 4 break interrupt, bit 5 transmitter holding registers empty, bit 6 transmitter empty, bit 7 error in the receiver FIFO. So these are all the UART communication register format. So next class we are going to see about the Cortex M3 block diagram. Thank you.